संवसारीक सायकल दिसा निमतान शुक्रारा इमॅजिन पेनजीम आनी पणजी महापालिकेच्या जोड पालवान सायक्लोथॉन रॅलीचें आयोजन केले। ही कार्यावळ पणजी महानगरपालिका तशेंच खेळां संचालनालयाच्या वतीन आयोजीत केल्ली। सायकल फकत खेळ म्हूण चलोवची न्ही, तर सायकल चलोवप हें येरादारीचें साधन आसूंक जाय। सगळ्या सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांनी कामाक वतना आतां सायकलीचो वापर करपाक जाय, अशें मुख्य सचिव पुनीत कुमार गोयल हांणी सांगलें। ते मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण उलयताले। ह्या कार्यावळीचे मुख्य आकर्षण अभिनेत्री स्पंदना पल्ली आनी आदलो हॉकीचो खेळगडो जगदीप सिंग आसले। ह्या सुवाळ्यांत सरकारी पुलीस, अग्निशमन दलाचे अधिकारी तशेंच शालेय विद्यार्थ्यांनी भाग घेतलो।
And I came to Goa in 2019. So it's a beautiful place for cycling. In the morning there is no traffic, and there are a few cyclists we see all over the place. So we hope that it should not remain only a fun or exercise. It should become a mode of transport for middle class, upper middle class, for everybody. Cycling is fun. I hope that we all in Goa, the cycling community grows, and ultimately even we officers should start going to office by cycle.
My message for the youth, for everyone is, you know what, Goa is a beautiful place and you have such beautiful place to ride a bicycle, and today is World Bicycle Day, so you must go bicycle. And yeah, this is very good for your health, for the environment, for the society, so you can be fit and you make your environment very, very beautiful. So I am on bicycle and I request all of you to do the same. Thank you.